Well, we are continuing to track some updates from the United States of America. This is another breaking input where Vice President Kamala Harris has now said that she was honored to receive President Biden's endorsement and intends to earn and win the nomination. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, especially after President Joe Biden dropping out from the presidential race. Vice President Kamala Harris has said that she was honored to receive President Biden's endorsement and intends to earn and win the nomination. Well, Akanksha continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Akanksha, how does Kamala Harris plan to leverage this support, especially favoring the Democrats at this point of time? After go ahead.
You've already talked about how she's in fact honored. The fact is that we've seen that tweet come out from Joe Biden yesterday, where he has in fact extended all his support behind the vice president at the moment. And having said that, the only possible, there are multiple scenarios as we were telling you, that they may conduct various forums, sanctioned forums across the country, where you may have somebody also moderating those events. But the fact is that, you have had delegates who have been pledging their support behind Joe Biden. So in most likely the scenario, considering we've seen the US president sort of extend his support, sort of also cushion Kamala Harris's current standing, you may have that set of delegates who have in fact been supporting Joe Biden also extend their support behind Kamala Harris. Or you may, in fact, also have the Democrat National Convention, the DNC will be taking place in mid of August. You may have a voting that may take place over there. And it's very crucial right now for Joe Biden to also endorse a candidate, because that will sort of perhaps give more clarity to the rest of the party who to, in fact, rally for. But having said that, many would in fact within the Democrats be talking about how they would not want somebody anointed just yet. They would want a more democratic process to perhaps shape up. But will that mean that Kamala Harris is finally the only candidate is something we'll have to see